How to change login password on OKX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are learning how you can easily change your login password for better security on OKX account. Start off by open the OKX application on your mobile device and login. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap the menu button. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on your username at the top. Now this will open up User Center, where you need to click on Security at the top. Inside Security, scroll down and click on Login Password. Click on the Continue button. If you go ahead and change your password right now, you won't be able to withdraw funds or use P2P trading to sell crypto for 24 hours after making the change. So if you're okay with that, click Continue. On the next page, enter your current password for your account and click Confirm. Now, go ahead and enter a 6-digit verification code sent to your registered email inbox. Click Open the email, copy the code, get back to OKX, and paste in the code. Once you do that, on the next page, go ahead and enter a new password. Re-enter the new password once again on the next field. Finally, click Continue, and you have successfully changed your login password. Click on Login Now, and now go ahead and enter your phone number or your email, and then your password. While entering your password, make sure that you type in the new one and click Login. Now, you'll be able to sign in with your new password. So there you have it. That is how you can change your login password on OKX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.